Houston homeowners know that fresh air is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. With long summers, high humidity, and sudden rainstorms, finding the right balance between comfort and airflow can feel like a challenge. That's where slider windows truly shine. Designed for smooth operation and wide openings, slider windows offer a practical and stylish way to improve ventilation in Houston houses. Designed for maximum airflow, slider windows, also known as sliding windows, operate horizontally along a track. Unlike traditional single-hung or double-hung windows that open vertically, slider windows allow one or both sashes to glide side to side. This wide, unobstructed opening makes a noticeable difference in airflow. In Houston's warm climate, cross-ventilation is key. When slider windows are placed strategically across from each other, they create a natural breeze that moves through the home. This steady airflow helps push out stale, humid air and draw in fresh outdoor air. The result is a cooler, more comfortable living space without constantly relying on air conditioning. For homeowners looking to reduce energy bills, this natural ventilation can make a big impact. Even a gentle breeze through a large slider window can help regulate indoor temperatures during mild mornings and evenings. Perfect for Houston's climate, Houston weather is known for its heat and humidity. Proper ventilation helps control indoor moisture levels, which is essential for protecting your home. Excess humidity can lead to mold growth, warped wood, and musty odors. By improving airflow, slider windows help reduce moisture buildup inside the house. Slider windows are also ideal for catching passing breezes. Because they open wide and don't have external components that block airflow, they can easily direct wind into your home. When Houston's Gulf breezes roll in, slider windows allow you to take full advantage of them. Another benefit is their ability to remain slightly open during light rain. With the right positioning and overhang protection, homeowners can maintain airflow without worrying about water intrusion. Easy operation for everyday use. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is how easy they are to use. They glide smoothly along a track, requiring minimal effort to open or close. This makes them especially practical for large window openings or hard-to-reach areas. In busy Houston households, convenience matters. Whether you're opening windows in the morning to let in fresh air or closing them quickly during an afternoon storm, slider windows make the process simple. Their user-friendly design encourages homeowners to use them more often, which naturally improves indoor air circulation. For families with children or elderly residents, the smooth operation is also a safety and accessibility benefit. There's no heavy lifting or complicated locking mechanism, just a simple sliding motion. Great for larger openings and scenic views. Many Houston homes feature open concept layouts and large living areas. Slider windows complement these designs beautifully. Their wide glass panels not only improve ventilation but also allow abundant natural light to enter the home. More natural light means fewer shadows and a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere. When combined with improved airflow, the space feels fresher and more inviting. Slider windows also provide clear, expansive views of backyards, patios, or garden spaces, enhancing the overall living experience. For rooms that need both ventilation and visibility, like living rooms, kitchens, and sunrooms, slider windows offer the perfect combination. Energy efficiency meets comfort. Modern slider windows are built with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature insulated glass, tight seals, and durable frames designed to withstand Houston's heat. When closed, they help maintain indoor temperatures by reducing air leaks. When opened, they give homeowners control over natural ventilation. This flexibility allows you to rely less on mechanical cooling systems when the weather permits. Over time, that can translate into noticeable savings on energy costs. Additionally, improved ventilation contributes to better indoor air quality. Fresh air circulation helps reduce indoor pollutants, cooking odors, and lingering humidity. For households focused on health and comfort, this is a valuable advantage. A smart upgrade for Houston homes. If you're looking for a simple yet impactful way to improve ventilation in your Houston house, slider windows are worth considering. Their wide openings, easy operation, and ability to enhance cross ventilation make them a practical solution for the local climate. Beyond function, they add modern style, natural light, and energy efficiency to your home. In a city where comfort depends on managing heat and humidity, slider windows offer a refreshing solution, literally. With the right placement and quality installation, slider windows can transform how your home feels day to day, bringing in the fresh Gulf air and creating a more comfortable, breathable living space for you and your family.